In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change Jumia phone number, or how to change phone number on Jumia account. So all you just need to do is just log into your Jumia account using the Jumia app. You can see my own right here, and you can see that on the account section down below, you can see it's check mark. That means I am currently logged in. So the next thing you're gonna do, just click on account, then scroll all the way down to where you see account management. So just click on that, then it's gonna take you to your browser right there, and you can see my own email right there. So you're gonna take you to this page, then click on profile details. So once you click on that, then click on basic details, or you can click on edit phone number or basic details. Under the basic details, you're still gonna see your phone number right there. You can see mine, so just edit the phone number, or click on edit right here. You can click on edit profile, then you're gonna be able to edit your phone number. And if you want to edit your email as well, you're gonna be able to edit your email without any issue. So they're gonna send a verification code to the number, so then you can input the verification code and it will be changed successfully.